Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope this video very helpful to you. So to start with, what is CPM and what is playback-based CPM? Is that through more views, more earnings? So what is difference between CPM and playback-based CPM? What is monetized views? So, if you like to know the details, please keep watching. Ano ba ang kaibahan ng CPM sa playback-based CPM? CPM is a cost per mil. Halaga ng binabayad na advertisers for every 1,000 views. This one is focusing to the ad impressions. So, what is ad impressions? Yun ang mga views na may advertisements. And so ano naman yung playback-based CPM? This CPM is depending how many playbacks video with one or more advertisement. We called the monetized views. The question is, what is the difference between the ad impressions that having an advertisements? Now, to continue it, we will give a sample formula or calculation. So, this is the sample calculation that we can give. Advertiser cost $5, 5,000 views. This is only a sample views. And then 3,500 views as shown as an advertisement. And then CPM equals. So, this is the sample views calculation only. Having that said, not only views having an ads all the time. So, in this case, what would be the calculation if ever? To get the result, we will use the standard formula. Advertiser cost equals $5. Ad impression equals 3,500 out of 5,000. This is the views na may patalastas. So the formula is advertiser cost divided by ad impression times 1,000 cost per mil. This is constant. Equals 5 over 3,500 times 1,000 equals 0.00142 times 1,000 equals 1.428, or we have to round off. So the total CPM is $1.43. Now we will proceed to the playback-based CPM. Here we go. To calculate the CPM playback-based views, advertiser cost $5, 5,000 views, and 3,500 views shown as advertisement out of 3,500. 3,000 monetized views, playback-based CPM equals. This is a sample figure views calculation only. Please note that playback views depending the monetized views, not through ad impressions. So, to calculate it, we have to use the 3,000. Kasi, ito yung monetized views na nakuha ko, for example. And then, sample advertiser cost equals $5. Monetized views equals 3,000 out of 3,500 ad impression. For example, nakuha ko lang is 3,000 views. So, to get it, we will use the formula. Again, advertiser cost over monetized views times 1,000 CPM equals 5 over 3,000 times 1,000 equals 0.00166 times 1,000. May repeating dyan na 6 numbers. Note, hindi natin kukuhanin lahat ng numbers. Yung gagamitin lang natin ang 6 na digits lang. So, playback-based CPM equals 1.6 6 and 6 or we can round off into 1.67, repeating decimals again. So, ang makukuha natin pag i-round off natin ay 1.67, $1.67. Remember guys, hindi CPM makikita mo kung hindi playback CPM sa analytics mo. If alam mo yung playbacks by CPM, dahil nga ang CPM based lang sa impressions or ads impression, samantalang ang playback by CPM nakabase siya sa monetized playbacks. Now, if alam mo yung playback by CPM at alam mo din yung estimated playbacks mo, meron ka ng ideas if magkano yung kikitain mo. Either ang kikitain mo maaring pang monthly basis or 1 year or daily as well. So, now if hindi mo na siya masasabi na potential earnings mo, ito na yung estimated earnings mo, more or less. Next, how to improve our CPM. There are 3 suggestions that necessary to our videos. The first is the metadata, the title, and the thumbnails. So, sa next video ko, please abangan nyo na lang at doon ko i-discuss what is metadata, title, and thumbnails at gaano sila ka-relevant or necessary sa videos natin. Guys, thank you for watching. I tunan pa kayo sa tutorial ko at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe to those new to my channel. Thank you so much.